ole thlir tu le ngai thatu zong te in zawain chibai le vekule hei tun tuma chuanin news rapthlak tak mai kan react le dona ti chuanin hei Mizoram lamah pawh nambil chibil flek ang chi kha mu tur om ta zak zawa zia lo khop maya chungte chu kan react khowanga hei tunlai chu nimin lokhanin kan video masa kan ron da towa bongkon venga pavalai pakhat su soisak hlumania chutiang thil rapthlak takte athen to nuwa hei vo in lama news rapthlak tak nulambul mai lai ang chi kha angonga chaminan zai ni turani chung thute chu kan hrele ta arab thak khop mai kan ram hi kan film khurtla na nga yani mo mani in chung lo ma po kan him lawan i ber towa cctv ne ya kong khar te thataka kalhi kan mamo to ni te po in alangani engpo ni sela hei nula ngonga chaminan zai ti hi kanan chiarange ole kan kalthui ma in online games manga poisa hlo theina bedzili hi lo mel thret verole tuna yen sani leon le bengali star nusrat jahan te ponan khel ve me kani in register khani ni van nei chun cheng sang khat za som pakhat kha bonus dong theani tin a withdraw hi all some ma phone pay te google pay le bank transfer mang te point a withdraw theya askir money ti chunin in sign up yem promote ko ta try in 100% welcome bonus dong thei don ani bedzili games hi lo download la zani za somnga le za thum somnga te hi iwan nei lau chuni dong thei dona facebook lama po review wa tha ani ti chuni member ni hian 50% commission hi I dong thei don bok ani in register khan cheng sang kha za som pakhat hi itlem thei downloading hi comment section lama kan pine chemin nula ngonga zai ni zani som paruk thlasari sang ni som ni pangadar som pakhat le achan vevel khan siaha vaipi 3 acheng mek good friday mingani o hei good friday kumsom ni chu misual tu ti hriat lo aruma lutin aka khupin angonga chemina zaisaka atlan chengal awamak ang reng ve hi chu tumlok neya che ani tlat maya tuna ache dan chinai chom police lamin an man nge yangai donani thudon danin misualing good friday chema angonga azai sakhun lai hian ruwa asurani good friday le akazen mi pa chu room khat khumrang veve amuni in good friday chu tuk verbal zoka mu ani ya mi pano pang ruma mu ve chu kowina thisena chua thu ashil o amak khop mei hei engtin ye motum lok ne yami ngonga va zairi ngot ang chi ta kha kan ram din munani ta good friday a khole don nge ni ya a thian nai vai tak chu ani arin omani ama hre chiang tu ani arin om khop mai chu mel hriat lo ngonga va zai ngot thu khom si lo wa he a zai tu hi chang good friday hi a hre chiang view ni turani kan share zelang chumi nuwa room danga mu nu berle pa ber kai thovin an en chian chuan chema zayani ti mu chu ani ya an thren omte an hril nuwa damdo in pan pui ani good friday hi biak thei ani towa ngai tu om lutuk ani to lo ni ya hriat ani chema good friday zai tu hi he thu zia lai thleng hian tunge ani ti hriat ani lova siha police te chu thil thlenna hmuna kalin thil om dan an en fia misual man ngei tumin thei to pan chu amek good friday hi phura kho chuak ni in siaha a hian lekha zirin apute in siaha vai p3 ya omme kani azia lo khop mai hei a video amut na khumvel te pok an ron tilanga chumi ma chuanin mi mu mai lai kha chu va zai ngot thu amlo good friday hi engemaw khotna takan neyanga tin good friday hi a hre chiang don amut na room thlangin a hre chiang don ti a hriatani mo chu tiang lawa mi in chunga room amulai va zai ngot thuam lo police te man chuak vat sela adum khop mai ichuanin hei kan video masalama aizola in thana rapthlak tak thlenga khanin thu chiang thu chip chia kan hreta a khothlir news hianin anram posa kanan chiarange puwanal nuna kumsomli pariat bong kon thattua pu Felix lal thansang ale athrian te pani chuman anni nuwa central jail da anni central jail si jail ma chon ei to donani khothlir news ni som pasari july sang ni som ni panga thu don danin puwanlal nuna kuthak ani thu hi ni zanda rukle mini som panga khan bongkon policein an hria a hmun an thlen chuan puwanlal nuna hi alo thitowa he poi khoina thleng chungchanga hiam puwanlal nuna fanu in ni zanda rukle mini somli panga khan bongkon police station a FIR a theluta hemi bo zui hiam police te chuan poi khoina hmuna mi pathum Felix lal than sang akum somni panga vai vakon lalom puya kum somni pali bongkon salom vengle sindi zoram chani kum somni pakhat leng pui veng thar de chu an man nga la an pathum hiam vo inkha magistrate a hruai an ni nuwa central jail a dalu nga lan ni thudon danin police in an man pathum te hi ni zan tir khan puwanlal nuna chena ina hian an oma poi khoina thlen ma tlai dar nga pil hret khan an zinga pakhat Felix lal than sanga chu zurui chungchanga police in an kova police station atanga alet le nuwa poi khoina hi athleng zui ani tual thattuwa pu Felix lal than sanga chuan police station atanga alet le nu hian a then nu sindi zoram chani le puwanlal nu na chu pindana anlo du na muwa a thin rimin puwanlal nu na chu kut a thak ti police ma a in puang ani oh hey rin lo lam de ya min hruailut awa thik ta viau ni turani heng ti yang chin nge sindi te hian lo keni chuan kan hriat pui lem lo wani a zia lo khop mai hey an lan do pang sia zelan tang don chu ani phot maya mi ne na kanin ti boya ni po in an taksa chakdan zong kha kan hriat ve angai nali tu kami kut thak te hi a thalem lo tum lo dawin zela atan ve thayani ti chuan in hey nambil flek chung chang hi tun lai chu kan boi pui na sakhop maya FB a po mu tura tama en poni sela he po se kan chiar photange Mizoram chunga OMA yang Mizo Association flag le India flag ti lo Chibil flag reng kholaya olau takin tu ma in keng to suwang cheu Mizoram hi Mizo nampeng sang Mizo inti te ta ani fanai ral te sailo chak chuak pat chuau za haw gui te khiang te chang te a pai te lai mara engkim flexion kan nei lo an ran ti ni khai khom ta ira lu sei mar ko ki pai te tha do mara lai te hi Mizoram chunga chu Mizo kanin ti vek ram dang le state dang atanga local train khathian zomi ku ki mar kan ni Mizo kan ni loral te kan ni anon ti thina ni dule in omna ram le state da khan invain la sangani pon hei chu thu sanani amaro chu kan chena Mizoram hi chuan in lak san kha arem lutuk lovani chuwang chuan Mizoram kanom chuan Mizowa hin lung oi tlangila tin Mizo kanin ti du lo vek chu Mizo ni tur hi tu man lo tute hi nge Mizo big ti in chui donila dulian mang hi dulian trong hi lu sein an manga lu sein dulian trong an mana wangkhan an Mizo big chuang reng lovani chuwang chuan in Mizo kanin ti du lo vek chu Mizo ni tur hi an arin lowani Mizowa hian lung oi tlangila in lung rualila chu tiang te ni lo zon nam tlem kan ni hi namdang tan be kan oldon le tukani.
Respected Chairman of the Conclave, Sri Mizoramah, IAS, Secretary ICT, Dr. Vanlal Thana, Honorable Minister for ICT, Sri Kiliram Meena, Chief Secretary, Sri Anil Shukla, DCP Mizoram, Sri S. Krishnan, Secretary, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Sri Punit Yadav, Additional Secretary, Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Sri Mahavir Singhvi, Joint Secretary, Ministry of External Affairs, distinguished guests, industry leaders, members of the media, delegates from across the country, ladies and gentlemen. Just now I am told that today very important persons are coming from more than all 20 states of the country. I feel like being in a mini India today. Good morning to all of you. It's a great honor to welcome you all to the beautiful state of Mizoram for the 17th Digital Transformation Conclave. Hosting this prestigious gathering in collaboration with GovConnect and our Department of Information and Communication Technology is both a privilege and a proud moment for us. I extend my sincere appreciation to Sri Mizoramah for his unwavering commitment and dedication in making this conclave a reality. Today's conclave is not merely a celebration of technology. It's not only a celebration of technology, it is a call to action, a call to a vision, a future where digital innovation drives, includes development, strengthens governance, and uplifts every citizen regardless of geography, income, or background. Though our government is relatively new, I am proud to say that we have already ushered in significant reforms and momentum in the digital transformation of governances. Since assuming office in December 2023, we have launched a series of digital initiatives, including pawh, the upgraded Mizoram State Public Grievances Redressal and Monitoring System, Up, a biometric attendance system to enhance accountability and efficiency in government offices, the MSME facilitation cell and portals launched in June 2024 under the Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance Initiative. The SDG dashboard, offering village-wise data on progress and gaps in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Implant, the Mizoram State Project Monitoring Dashboard, enabling real-time tracking of development projects. This is also located in my own office. A GIS-based platform for the integrated maintenance and management of land records. We have also enabled online access to outpatient cards for the civil hospital Sawisel, digitalized inner line permit applications, and introduced online appointments system with some of our ministers. Our e-office initiative, aiming for comprehensive digitalization of government offices and a truly paperless administration, is progressing rapidly, and we are confident of its formal launch very soon. Our vision is both bold and inclusive: to build a digitally empowered society and a knowledge-driven economy where every Mizo citizen, from the remotest village to the state capital, has access to opportunity through technology. Well, we have made significant strides. We recognize that there are still many opportunities ahead to go further, to innovate deeper, and to meet the unique challenges that lie within our state. We are committed to seizing these opportunities with responsibility, ensuring that digital transformation reaches every corner of Mizoram. We are committed to bridging the digital divide and ensuring that no citizen is left behind. We aim to make governance more accessible, reduce costs and save time, improve communication, and increase overall effectiveness in public service delivery. Importantly, we are also embracing emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data analytics, not merely for improving efficiency, but to foster equity and innovation. Just earlier this month, I personally organized an artificial intelligence training program in my own constituency, that is Serchip, in collaboration with a promising local startup, Lusai Tech. And just for information, my constituency happens to be the highest in the literacy rate of Mizoram. And we have a strong determination to lead the state in the field of this information technology. We are nurturing a growing startup ecosystem, encouraging our youth to innovate, build, and lead Mizoram's digital transformation from within. The true transformation is not only about new tools, it is about changing mindsets. It is about reimagining how the government connects with its people, listening more attentively, responding more swiftly, and delivering services with compassion and integrity. To realize this vision, we need strong and sustained partnership with industry leaders, technologists, entrepreneurs, and digital innovators that, like those who gather here today. I firmly believe that platforms such as this conclave, where government and this industry converse, serve as powerful launchpads for innovation and impact. And just for information, last night, 2 of our websites were hacked by Pakistan, and they were soon recovered. Let this be an awakener for all of us to be extra cautious about this. And let this be a reminder for the need to have a strong and reliable cybersecurity. So I take this opportunity to invite all stakeholders, technology providers, solution architects, researchers, and entrepreneurs to partner with us. We are ready. We are committed. Together, we can create digital success stories that not only benefit our state, but serve as models for other emerging regions of the country. Before I conclude, I once again extend my heartfelt gratitude to all dignitaries and delegates who have traveled from across the country to be a part of this conclave. Your presence is not only symbolic, it is strategic. It reflects your commitment to shaping a new digital narratives for Mizoram. Let this conclave mark the beginning of impactful collaborations, partnerships that will drive innovation, inclusion, and excellence. Let us work together to build a future where technology empowers every Mizo life. Thank you, Zahin.